Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing this Indian festive look here. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. I started off by using the Unloc Mixify Glow Serum on my face. If you want, you can use any other facial oil or even a moisturizer of your choice. For the foundation, I have used the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation. This is a full coverage foundation. You can see that I have some acne spots on my face. So this is going to conceal and cover up everything. I have taken a flat stippling brush and I will blend everything nicely on my face. You can see that I went for a second layer of foundation. Remember that you can always put on more, you can add something extra, but you cannot take it off if you put on a hell lot of foundation. Do not forget to apply foundation on your neck and your ears. Now for the concealer, I have used the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. This is also a full coverage concealer, but you can see that the shade is slightly lighter than my skin tone, so I use it as a highlighting concealer. Once the application is done, I have blended everything in place using a PAC concealer brush. For setting everything in place, I have used the Maybelline FitMe loose powder. Now that the base is done, it's time for the eyebrows. I have used my favorite Miss Claire eyebrow cake for doing my brows. Make sure to use a dark brown shade instead of using black because that makes it look very unnatural. Also, don't go very heavy handed, use light strokes. For the eyeshadow, I have used one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. This is the Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette in the shade Velvet Rose. This has got really nice pink and browns in it. It's a very nice palette which you can use during the day, also during the night. You must have seen that I have applied that beautiful brown shade first. I have picked up the product in a fluffy blending brush and in circular motions I have applied it on my crease without putting a lot of pressure. You can see that I'm holding the brush in the middle and not in the very front part of the brush, I mean where the bristles are. So this way you end up applying very less pressure and the eyeshadow looks beautiful. Next, I have taken that peachy toned eyeshadow as my transition shade. With this shade, as you can see, I have blended it nicely in circular motions once again. The motive is to minimize all those harsh lines created by the brown eyeshadow. Now it's time to add some glitter and shine. So you can see I have picked up that beautiful pink metallic shade. With my ring finger, I have applied it in the middle of my eyelid. For that final blending, I have taken that brown eyeshadow again with my fluffy blending brush which I had used earlier. I will blend everything very nicely, but please make sure not to apply that brown eyeshadow on top of that metallic pink shade. You just want to apply it in the inner and outer corner of your eye so that the pink metallic shade doesn't look very harsh. Next, I have taken a pencil brush and picked up that same brown shade and applied it on my lower lids. You will see that I am flicking out the ends. Make sure to do it, it looks very beautiful. Now for the eyeliner, I have used the Maybelline gel liner, which is a very nice richly pigmented black eyeliner. Using the gel eyeliner, I will make a small winged eyeliner. If you are a beginner, make sure to be patient and take your time to draw the eyeliner, as because you have applied eyeshadow. If you mess up the eyeliner, you mess up the whole look. You cannot rub it off. So make sure to be patient and draw very short strokes in order to avoid any mistakes. Next, using an eyelash curler, I have curled my lashes nicely. For the mascara, I have used the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. This is a beautiful mascara which gives a lot of length and volume to your lashes. Make sure to apply a generous amount. Do not forget to apply mascara on your lower lashes as well. For contouring, I have used the Makeup Revolution Ultra Bronze and I have applied it with an angled brush. I have applied the bronzer on the regular areas, on the hollows of my cheekbones, on my jawline and my forehead. You will see that I have also used it to contour my nose in this video. I have taken a fluffy eyeshadow brush, a clean fluffy eyeshadow brush, and I have contoured my nose. I have applied that bronzer on each side of my nose, blending it up to the inner corner of my eye. Now for the blush, I have applied the Makeup Revolution Ultra Blush Palette in the shade Sugar and Spice. For the highlighter, I have used the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. Once again, the regular areas of highlighting on my cheekbones, on my forehead, on my chin, and on the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose. Now for the lipstick, I have applied two lipsticks in this look. First one is the Maybelline Colorshow lipstick in the shade Nude Nuance. After applying it nicely on my lips, I have taken another lipstick which is also a nude shade. It is the Nykaa So Matte Mini Lipstick in the shade Bonbon. I have mixed both the colors nicely on my lips and mixed everything up. Now, as we know, these lipsticks are not completely matte, they have a sheen to it. I have blotted it with the tissue. With this, my look is now complete. If you liked my video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on that bell icon so that you receive notifications every time I post a new video. Also, do not forget to share the video with your friends and hit that like button because it would mean the world to me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.